A. Capital A. A for apple. Let's draw apple. Color the apple with the red color. Red. Brown stem. Green leaf. B. Capital B. B for banana. Let's draw banana. Color the banana with the yellow color. Yellow. C. C. C for candy. Let's draw candy. Candy. C for candy. Orange color. Light green. Sky blue. Red. Violet. C for candy. A for apple. B for banana. C for candy.